I've got no idea right now. I was trying to work out how to change. I haven't done my helmet up. Change to miles and up to kilometers an hour, but couldn't do it. But here we are. What's he doing? What are we doing with our lives? Alright, we're in France. I'm gonna sort myself out and then I'll turn the camera on and do all that bit.
A few inches later.
Okay, everything is sorted. I'm finally in kilometers. Brad's got his sat nav. I've got my sat nav sorted. It was a very faff on the motorway. We're at this petrol station. I took a pee behind that pole. Don't tell anybody. Mr. Bean. Yeah, I think we're good.
Stop pretending like you know what you're doing.
Sorry.
We've got no idea.
Sorry. I'm one of the really annoying people that has too much energy in the mornings. Look, they're from the UK. They have a UK license number plate.
Yeah. Isn't that the one that almost killed you a minute ago?
Yeah. It is now 6 or 20 past 6 here in France, because we're an hour ahead. We're going to stop off there at Lyon and have some breakfast. So we'll see you there.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop and find the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Can you guess what we're going for? Our first meal over in France, and is it open? Oh, it's not open!
Not open. I'll go check the time when it's open.
Okay. We're in France.
My fucking arse.
France. We're here. We've been here for like 4 hours or something ridiculous. Thumbnail. Ow. Gah. Brad, I did it. We're practicing our French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sunt. A bit of sun and this would look beautiful. I swear it was meant to be warm today. Oh well. Damn. This looks like fucking Bristol or something. beautiful is that? It's still a bit nippy, but that view makes up for it. That is gorgeous. I can't keep my visor down for too long because, fuck me, I get tired. Bikers out over there. Look at them. That is so cool. So this is Leon. I think that's how you said it. They're spelled L-A-O-N. Leon. Leon. Oh, fuck it. Oh, this looks like a bridge. I like bridges. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This is why we come on this trip. Views like that. Wow, that's beautiful. Look, oh my days, man. Wow. Sorry, I know I've probably said that a million times now. But that is jaw-droppingly beautiful. And that view, man, wow.
Slide right onto Route Chatterley, then slide right onto Route Morduma.
Wow, look at that. Wow. Who's that?
Yeah, the point's just back there, but I saw that and that looks amazing.
That does look amazing.
We'll go down to the point.
Yeah?
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, that's a bump and a half. Bumpy as balls. Where did Brad go? Oh, where is he? Brad? Hello? Brad? Hello? Hello? Brad? Brad? Ah, there you are. You know when we pulled over? You know that car that pulled over in front of us?
Yeah.
I don't know what they wanted, but they wanted us. Because, yeah, he got out of the car, started to walking towards me, and as I was turning around, he got back in. So he wanted to talk to us.
I think we should go to that cafe that was down on the hill where the cobbles were.
Ah, okay. My nuts hurt.
Sorry?
My nuts hurt now. Oh. Right, so we made it to Leon, I think it said, or pronounced. Unfortunately, my GoPro steamed up. I've just cleaned it. But this is the church, and then the cathedral. I don't know what you could see out of that. My GoPro. Where a guy get out of his car randomly when we pulled over. But we were turning around, so not sure. But we're gonna have a look at this view because it was gorgeous. Coming up here, it was absolutely stunning. But yeah, this is Leon. That's my best French accent possible. Oh wow. Freaking wow. Ho ho. That's nice.
Get arrested for attempted suicide.
That's a big drop.
I can see for miles and miles.
Insane.